3 years ago, I said something that made a room go quiet. Soon, companies will not hire developers to build software. They will manage agents. Nobody clapped, nobody nodded, they just stared. Because 3 years ago, the word agent was foreign. It was science fiction. Today, it's your competitive reality. Here's what AI-assisted coding used to look like. You type a request on a chat box, you copy the code, you pasted it somewhere, it broke. You went back, begged for a fix, and it broke again. We called it vibe coding, and it felt exactly like that. Vibes, hope, and prayer. It was slow, it was fragile, and most leaders never noticed. Then something changed, not incrementally, structurally. Tools like Claude Code, Codex, and Perplexity Computer stopped being answer machines. They became operators. They read your entire code base. They edit files, they run commands, catch errors, then fix them. They loop until the thing actually works. This is not autocomplete. This is a call worker that executes the tasks. Early this year at Davos, a Stanford professor and an AI expert, Ian Catanfurus, said you don't need to learn to manually code. You don't need to learn syntax. You just need to give it meaning. This is vibe coding. And he said that we all have to have agency. We need to learn durable skills compared to perishable skills. Durable skills are taught in schools. Perishable skills are taught in corporations. Here is the part that most CEOs miss. The bottleneck is no longer technical. It never was about syntax. The bottleneck is clarity. Neuroscience has a term for this. Cognitive load. When a system has to guess what you mean, it fails. When the direction is precise, execution becomes almost automatic. This is exactly how AI agents work. Give them vague instructions, you get vague results. Give them precise intent, set clear standards, force a plan before execution, and work in short testable loops, you get leverage that compounds faster than any skill you could build. Now, here's the uncomfortable part. The people being left behind right now are not being replaced by AI. They are being exposed by it. They cannot say clearly what they want, they cannot define what done looks like, and have no standard for quality. And agents make that painfully obvious. Robert Cialdini spent decades studying influence. His core finding, the most persuasive people in the room are the ones with clarity and conviction. Not credentials, clarity. Agents reward the same thing. Here's your call to action. Not manually learn to code. That is not a skill anymore. Learn to direct, learn to define, learn to set standards and hold them. Because right now, this is still an advantage, a real one. But the window is closing. Soon everyone will have access to the same tools. And the only thing separating outcomes will be the one who learned to use them first. That person can be you. Start today. Direct a machine, build something. The leverage is already there. You just have to pick it up.